By the end of this video, you're going to know about 7 Google Gemini hacks that you need to make sure that you're taking advantage of right now. Some of these are going to be new features, some of them are going to be new settings, but what they all have in common is that they're going to help you get more done with AI, so you don't want to skip any of these. So that first hack I wanted to show you here is going to be a brand new feature inside of AI Studio, which is a massive game changer. So if we click on the little edit pencil icon, you might not be able to see it because my face might be blocking it. It is right beneath my face. It says edit tool when you hover over it. If you click on that, this is now going to bring this up right here where you could annotate. So you could annotate what changes you want to make. You could actually focus and select something specific and then actually submit right here what you want to make the change. Or if we click on designs right here, you're now going to be able to create multiple different variations right here, which is absolutely insane. This might be the most powerful AI tool I have ever seen when it comes to design, because literally live inside of here, we're now able to actually choose all of these different designs. And this is actually creating this automatically here. And guess what? If we want to see a different version of this, we could just describe what we want to see or click generate like we did right here. And this literally just came up with a bunch of different variations. And guess what? If we actually click into one of these and then actually get out of this right here, this will actually allow us to see exactly what this is going to look like right here, which is pretty incredible. Now this is actually going through right here. We can see on the left hand side and actually tweaking this and changing what this is going to look like. And I can't believe that this could actually do this. And you could keep doing this over and over again. Like if you weren't happy with what you just saw, you just click on variations again, and this will keep creating new variations that we'll be able to check out and we will be able to see, which is pretty incredible. And this right here makes your life way easier, because in the past, you would have to go into something like Google Stitch. If you haven't seen this before, if you come to stitch.withgoogle.com, this is actually a design tool that they have, but now they basically have this straight inside of AI Studio, which is a really massive upgrade. Now, the next hack I wanted to show you here is that you need to make sure that you are creating skills for Gemini. So if we come over into Spark right here, you're now going to see skills right here. And there are basically 3 ways that you could create these. First and foremost, you could upload a skill if you have one. People tend to upload these on GitHub and stuff like that. I will warn you though, you need to be very, very careful if you're going to be just downloading random skills from the internet. You want to make sure it's coming from a trusted source. Otherwise, you might have something in there that will actually reveal your sensitive information to whoever created that skill. Or you could click on create manually right here. You can name your skill, give it a description, give it instructions, but all that's kind of a waste because they have create with Gemini right here. And this will allow you to actually go through and say, I want to create a skill, and you could tell it exactly what you want it to do. For example, summarize my unread emails as to-dos. Now this will actually go through and this will actually create this skill right here, the entire process, the entire SOP. If you don't know what a skill is, I feel like I say this in every video now, so let me know in the comments if you guys are starting to understand what a skill is. It's an SOP. So let's say that we just ask Gemini to do something. Every single time we ask it to do something, if it's not using a skill, it will come up with a new and different way to actually do this. But if we create a skill, it's an SOP or a checklist that it is going to follow every single time. So now we could simply just go through and tell this exactly what we want this to do in addition to all these things. And then it will actually go through and it will create the skill. And then when we actually want to use this skill, here's how we could actually do that. If we open up this sidebar, we come over here, we could type in, you'll be able to type in / and then all of your skills will pop up, or you could just say, hey, I want you to use this specific skill. The next thing I wanted to make sure that you're doing is using these schedules right here. Again, we could create these manually, or we could create these with Gemini. We could say, hey, help me schedule a task, and you can then tell this exactly what you want it to do. For example, draft a reply whenever I'm going to say Chris Benjamin emails me. And then what this is going to do is now automatically do that every single time that this happens. And I could get actions to happen based on 2 different things. 1, I could have it actually go through via a schedule, or 2, I could have it actually react to things by turning on permissions for specific apps so that this actually has the ability to do that. Now, before we get into all those other hidden settings and features, I wanted to make sure that you're not using Claude the same way that you use ChatGPT or Gemini, because it's completely different now. Because Claude isn't just a chatbot anymore. You can now use it to build apps, build presentations, automate an entire week's worth of work, and so much more. So if you use Claude Chat every day, but you freeze the second that somebody mentions Claude Design, Claude Cowork, or even Claude Code, then I'm talking to you. Because there's a free Claude AI Mastery Workshop, which is a full deep dive into Claude, its real use cases, and 10 other AI tools happening this weekend from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern. And if you go to the pinned comment below, you could sign up for this today for free. Over 10 million people worldwide have already attended this, and they graded it a solid 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot. And if you're serious about Claude, please do not skip this. In 2 days, you'll do deep research with Claude, build your own artifacts and dashboards, create full presentations, set up connectors to automate the boring stuff like your entire job search, get hands-on with Claude Code, build custom agents, generate visuals and videos with AI, and you'll walk away able to put your whole week on autopilot. If you want to get started with it, sign up now because you're also going to get 3 free bonuses. You're going to get 50 secret Claude codes that turn it into a god tier tool. You're going to get a full AI prompt library and a personalized AI toolkit builder. And the best part is you're going to be mentored by leaders from Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and NVIDIA. And what you're going to learn in 2 days will change your next 2 years. So sign up below before all the spots run out. There's a link in the description, or you could scan the QR code that I've had up on the screen. And don't forget to join their WhatsApp group. Now, the next hack I wanted to show you here is avatars, because this is pretty awesome right here. So if we come over into, let's say, videos right here, you'll be able to see that we could come over here and we could upload images if we wanted to, or we could click on this plus right here and we'll be able to see that we could actually use my avatar. So we're going to say something like, make a short video explaining that Gemini just released a new AI Studio feature. Now, that's literally all we have to do, and this is going to make a video using my avatar, aka using me, which is pretty cool. And if you want to actually create your own, you're simply just going to click on this gear icon right here. You'll be able to click on avatar and it will walk you through exactly how to actually make that. Basically, you just have to scan something on your phone. You take a few pictures of yourself, a few videos of yourself. It has you like turn left, it has you turn right, do all stuff like that. And it will be able to generate your avatar. And then from here, this will allow you to create these videos, which are pretty cool. And now we can see that this is actually done right here and it looks absolutely incredible. I can mute the video, I could share the video, I could download the video. And this is pretty cool because the other thing that you could actually do is begin to tie things together. For example, I have this daily brief right here, and what this will actually allow me to do, but actually first, let me actually mute this video and I want to show you what this looks like. So if we actually come over here, we could see this looks exactly like me. The only thing that might look a little bit off are my teeth, because these teeth look a little white, but this is incredible. It even has me changing. It has me looking different ways. Absolutely insane. And what we could actually set up is I actually get this daily brief every day that goes through my email, goes through AI news, goes through all of this. And what we'll be able to do is if we're using Spark, we could create a schedule where this goes through, it pulls in the latest AI news, and it creates updates for you guys. In fact, this is one of the ways that I create content for TikTok, Instagram, for YouTube, and for Facebook. And this allows me to generate content without me actually having to do anything, because I have my avatar it's created. It sounds like me. It looks like me. At least it looks close enough, and it still has my branding, talking about the topics that I know my audience cares about. And I've got all of this set up inside of Gemini. Now, the other thing I want to make sure that you're also taking advantage of is Gemini inside of other apps. For example, we could see that I have a Google Doc open right here. What you're now going to be able to do is if we come over here and let's say that we make a copy, we could see that we could actually create an exact copy. We could just match the document format, and this is all going to be powered by Gemini. In addition to that, if we click on the little gem right here, we could see that there are a ton of different things that we could do here. For example, we could match the writing style in another document, or we could have Gemini actually go through and search our Drive, Gmail, chat, and the web in order to actually be able to do things inside of this document right here. And this makes my life way easier. And it's not only inside of documents, it's also inside of everything else that you could create with Gemini. For example, Google Videos, Google Forms, Google Sheets, Google Slides, these all now have Gemini inside of them. For example, if we click from choose a template right here, come over to general, we could see a bunch of different templates, and you can pretty much create anything that you want now in seconds. using Gemini, which is pretty amazing. In fact, let's say that we're inside of like my retirement tracker right here. The other thing that I could actually do is click on Gemini right here, and it will be able to analyze this data. It will be able to do anything that I actually want it to do. Or I could click on Gemini in the top right hand corner. Again, my face is probably blocking it, but you'll see the Gemini icon. And this allows you to do a bunch of different things from inside of all these different tools that you otherwise wouldn't have access to. And you need to make sure you're checking this out, turning it on, and taking advantage of this. Because look at everything this is doing. This is initiating the inspection. It's analyzing the sheet, analyzing the data, mapping key sections, analyzing things, analyzing patterns, confirming calculations, analyzing the values, analyzing my retirement savings, my portfolio dynamics, projecting things, visualizing things. This is literally doing all of this, and then it's going to give me pretty amazing response. And look at this. This has now literally gone through and created this asset growth protection. It's created all of these different things that I can now insert into the sheet. It goes through all of my different takeaways. And this was literally able to explain this entire thing to me. I could insert this if I wanted to. It gives me other questions to ask. In addition to that, if we actually come over here, we could see that this could get me to do a bunch of different things. And we could actually give this access to more stuff. So it's not only accessing what's on the sheet. And that final thing that I did want to highlight for you is now if you come into NotebookLM, you are going to see that every single thing from inside of here can now be customized. So we could customize audio overviews, video overviews, mind maps, and they're all different. Like if we click into flashcards, we could change what the topic is, the number of cards, the level of difficulty. If we do this on something like a video overview, we could choose what format this is going to be created in. We could choose what things we actually want to add in here. And what you'll notice is that this actually goes through and allows you to tab and just automatically include things. Or we could click on this and it automatically includes things. So this is going to be brainstorming and helping you create better things from inside of NotebookLM. And this is a massive upgrade that it definitely needed. And there are tons more upgrades coming soon. So make sure if you want to see those that you smash the subscribe button. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see other changes that Google Gemini has recently released, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through all those changes and how you can take advantage of them. I'll see you over there.